Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by opening the PowerPoint app or mobile office app on your phone. Sign in if needed so files sync automatically. Tap the plus or new button to create a blank presentation. Choose a template only if it saves time. Once done, name the file clearly so you can find it later. Make sure to set orientation and aspect ratio early. 16:9 is common for screens. Now add a title slide. Tap text boxes, type, and use the formatting bar to set size and weight. Next, build your core slides by adding new slides and selecting useful layouts. Use bullet lists for structure, but keep each point concise. You will speak more than you read. To insert images, tap Insert, choose Pictures, and pick from Camera or Gallery. Adjust with pinch and drag gestures. Once placed, use the Arrange menu to layer and align options to snap objects. Make sure to add simple transitions sparingly so the flow feels natural, and preview your slideshow to confirm pacing and clarity. Finalize by rehearsing and exporting the presentation in the right format for your audience. Practice speaking while advancing slides. Use Presenter View if available to see notes in time. To share, tap Share, choose Export as PDF or send a copy via email or cloud link. Check permissions before sending. Once done, save a backup to cloud and to local device. If the file fails to open elsewhere, troubleshoot by saving a copy with embedded fonts or exporting as PDF.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.